But is it important to put Dubai का सामने?
So I'll tell you, I was in Bombay one time. I was looking out for work. That's a part in my life, a little segment where I was hunting for work in Mumbai. And that time, till that time, Varun Dhawan is already there in the picture. No pun intended, really movies mein tha wo. So I went to meet this director during an audition. So they have this sheet where my name and everything is mentioned. It's like, your name is Varun Dhawan. I'm like, yeah. So he suggested the first thing that you have to do is change your name. I'm like, I have been working with this name for last, like, by that time I was working for like 13-14 years. I'm like, मैं अपना नाम कैसे change करूँ? And he said a very interesting thing, and actually true. He said, let's say if we give you a movie, a serial or whatever, you get featured on a big screen, and people want to know who you are. If they go and search Varun Dhawan, they will never find your picture. They will only see the other actor Varun Dhawan's picture. But even after when he said that, I said, I'm not going to change my name. So when I was on TV, my social media handle was TV ka Varun Dhawan. Then I was with a brand here in Dubai, and that's how so radio brand ka name tha ka Varun Dhawan. And now I said, all right, I might change jobs, but I want to live here in Dubai. So now it's like Dubai ka Varun Dhawan. That's the story.
Bro.
I have to clarify every time that this is my real name.
I feel like you need a reel just for this. अपने नाम के लिए तेरे को एक reel चाहिए.
And I'm elder to him, so I'm the OG. वो मेरे बाद है. I want to ask you first. If I have to ask you, तुम्हारी first car memory क्या है? What was that first car that your family got back in the day, or you wanted to buy?
Okay,
Your
so what my
aspiration.
family got back in the day, my dad got a Mercedes C-Class at that time, the 1994,
1994, you had a Mercedes.
Yeah, like when I was born, this thing. I had a green color. I used to call it green Merc.
Okay.
We had,
Are you from a very rich family? Yes, you are then. If you have to take that pause. Not a middle class family, is it? Or back in the day?
Back in the day, like...
Bro, he had like 6 cars at home.
So not a middle
Like,
class
that
family.
बस
Not
हो
a
गया
middle
ना,
class.
like,
Not a
down
That was
here-
like... But by the time I grew up, that all went down.
सबसे
So-
सस्ती वाली गाड़ी कौन सी थी? Was it Mercedes?
Yeah.
No.
I mean...
What about you?
I had a Corolla, bro. I'm from the Corolla
Yeah.
family. Yeah.
So one bedroom apartment on 2 wheels.
Bro, we're
Yeah.
talking about India.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Like,
like...
the US pਹੁੰਚ
Then
गया, bro.
so जो Yes Di और राजदूत जो होती थी, राजदूत used to have 2 silencers पीछे.
Oh.
So my dad
So
used
is that like a great thing? ये भी तो बता ना.
it used to be like, you know, आपके पास एक अच्छी बाइक है.
Okay.
And then my dad used to have one, and then when he got married, तो वो ऐसा हो गया था कि लड़के के पास ऐसा बाइक है तो मतलब ये लड़का बिगड़ा हुआ लग रहा है. My dad had to sell the bike and buy a scooter, a Bajaj.